Hi, this is Chris with MuseGrid.com, and we're going to take a look at fixing broken assets. So here we've got a simple page and I've put a couple of graphics on it, nothing special, not actually a web page, just some graphics. If we go into design view though, we can see that when we go to the assets panel, we get this little question mark, red question mark next to the assets. Now you may get a warning when you go to publish saying that some assets are missing. So although they're still on the page because they're cached in a preview, the assets are actually missing. If we right click on one of these assets, we can see that we can relink it. We can go to the asset, we can embed the link, we can copy the full path, or we can edit the image. So let's relink. So if we right click, relink, then we're going to go and locate the asset itself, and we can see that the actual assets are sitting on my desktop here. And then I'm going to choose the graphic and click open. Now what it also does is any other assets that are missing, it will look in that folder to see if it can find the file names of those so that you don't have to do them all individually, because it may be just a case of you've just moved the folder as I did it this time, and then it will repair all of them for you. So if we take a look at the path now, we reveal it in the Finder, we can see it goes straight there. So if you're having problems with assets and you're getting errors, a great thing to do is to click on the panel here, click on the little triangle here, and what that will do is it'll resort all of your files if you've got a lot of them in there, and just show you the ones at the top that have any problem with them, and it'll explain when you hover over them what the problem is. And then if there is, for instance, you can, when I hover over here, we can see, let me bring that over into the middle a bit. You can see the file path and all of the information for it. But if for some reason that's broken, we just go through the process of relinking. We can go to the asset. Now, if we embed the asset, that asset is now fully embedded into the Muse file itself, which means it'll stay in there. Or we can go through and we can edit the original from here, which is a really good way of round tripping. But focusing on the fixing broken assets, let's unembed that one now. That's how you do it. So hope that helps, and thanks for watching.